A week ago right now, we had a huge problem.
Yeah, we sure did.
Snowstorm
We
coming,
sure
which
did
is
there.
still causing us some concerns out there. So despite some of the efforts, watch out for a few slick spots early tomorrow morning. Fortunately, with temperatures getting up into the low 40s by 11 a.m., conditions will be improving. Today, high temperature was 46, started out 20. The normals are 45 and 18, and currently we're at 38 downtown, 34 at the airport. The pressure falling slightly. Winds are out of the south at 9. Wind chill is at 27 degrees. These are the winds aloft up at the jet stream level. One storm off the west coast, another one off the east coast. We're kind of in between here in Colorado, but some fairly strong winds type moving into the mountains. Could get some ridge-top gusts up to about 65 to 70 miles per hour, and it will bring in a little bit of moisture. Main storm is off to the west of us, but out ahead of it, there'll be some light snow developing over the central and northern mountains. Most likely it'll just be an inch or two along and primarily west of the divide. Lows will drop to about 28 in Denver, 21 up at Greeley. We'll look at some teens around Aspen, Gunnison, down toward Alamosa and Pagosa Springs. Front range numbers, kind of windy in the foothills, and the temperature's not all that cold, although the wind chill will make it feel colder. 42 by morning expected at Evergreen, but 19 up at Platteville. Start with some scattered slippery spots on the roads in the mountains, mainly dry roads aside from some of the streets that'll still be a little icy early tomorrow morning. High clouds by midday in the plains, just a few snow showers up into the mountains, and in the afternoon it's kind of cool and dry with just some high clouds. High tomorrow about 48 in Denver, 42 up at Greeley, 33 for Leadville. They don't have any snow to melt down here, so temperatures in the upper 50s to around 60. Your front range numbers mostly in the 40s for lower elevations. 30s expected up into the mountains for tomorrow. The warmest temperatures will be on the west and south side of town, with 53 expected at Highlands Ranch. Tonight, partly cloudy, windy at times, cold, gusty south winds, and even more wind up in the mountains, 28 for a low. And then for tomorrow, expect a high temperature, much like today, in the mid to upper 40s, some high clouds, southwest winds at 10 to 15. That storm that's off the west coast will have an impact in our weather as we get into Wednesday and Thursday. By Wednesday afternoon, starting to get some light snow developing in the mountains. By the time we get into Thursday, I think about 4 to 8 inches of snow for the mountains, maybe an inch or two Denver and down toward the Palmer Divide. Here's your 7-day. Tomorrow's 48, Wednesday's 50, morning snow on Thursday and 43. A couple more mild days after that, Friday, Saturday back into the 50s. Another chance of light snow, emphasis on the word light, on Sunday with a high of 40.
That's what we were looking for.
Yeah.
That emphasis on the word light.